Infor CloudSuite is often positioned as a powerful, industry-focused cloud ERP system. But the real question is whether it actually delivers strong business value or just competes on paper with bigger names like SAP and Oracle. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely misleading. Infor CloudSuite is a real, enterprise-grade ERP platform used by mid-size and large companies, especially in manufacturing, distribution, and supply chain industries. It runs on AWS and is designed as a cloud-native, multi-tenant system with built-in AI and analytics. However, here's the key point. CloudSuite is very strong in specific use cases, but not universally the best ERP for everyone. Thumbs up what it does well. Deep industry-specific features. Unlike generic ERPs, CloudSuite offers tailored versions for industries like manufacturing, food and beverage, and fashion, often requiring less customization. Cloud native on AWS. Automatic updates, scalability, and reduced infrastructure management are major advantages. Where it falls short, confusing product lineup. Multiple CloudSuite versions, M3, LN, Industrial, etc., can make it hard to choose the right one. Implementation is complex and expensive. Typical projects can take 9 to 18 months and cost $300K, $2M+. Smaller partner ecosystem. Fewer consultants than SAP/Oracle means less flexibility and sometimes higher costs. So is it worth it? Short answer, yes, for the right company. If you're in manufacturing, distribution, or a specialized industry, CloudSuite can be one of the best-fitting ERPs available if you want a general-purpose ERP or simpler setup. It may feel overly complex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.